Hi viewers, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great, right? Thanks. Today, I will be discussing with you the most effective way in which you can use to remove setbacks, delay, rise and falling, disappointment, both in your business, in your relationship, in your marriage. I am here to tell you how you will use just bitter leaf, the secret in which no one has ever told you about bitter leaf, what you can use this bitter leaf to do. You can use this bitter leaf to solve all of this problem by the special grace of God. All I want you to do is to believe that what you are going to do or what you're about to do after watching this video will work for you. And when you believe it with all your heart and you see it's what's working according to your problem. But before I go into that teaching, I want to use this great privilege to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your support. And for the newest people in the building, you are highly welcome. Here in this channel, we teach you how to use natural things, just like the one you are hearing right now, to solve your spiritual problems by the special grace of God. Moving on to today's video, please, if you haven't subscribed, please guys, help me and subscribe and also like this video. Like this video for me. If you love me, like this video for me and share. As you do, God will keep on increasing you every day by day, but you will not know until the blessing becomes so massive that you can no longer handle. I'm sure about that. Guys, moving on to this video. If you are battling rising and falling in your business, delay, lack of sale, promise and fail, trouble, hatred, hatred, in fact, uncontrollably hatred, both from the neighbors, from your friend, envy in your working place, and you are tired. We all know that jealousy and enviness can lead some people into destruction. It can make someone to begin to think evil on how they can destroy you, especially when you are staying in one office with those who hate you. They can do and undo. They can do things that the eyes cannot even withstand to you. If you are facing hatred in the office, in your shop, where you are working, even in the house, your husband is always hating you, quarreling you for no reasons. It is high time that you start practicing this. And by the special grace of God, if it is whatever that, if it is the one that people did against you, it's the hatred that human being normally send to each other. You understand? That is what we call spiritual hatred. If you have spiritual hatred already in your body, this video is also good for you. To do that, you need your pomade, not ordinary pomade. You need a white pomade. You need a white pomade. If you don't have a white, that's white cream. That's what I mean. So if you're not using a cream that is white, please go and look for cream that is white that suits your skin tone, your color. But it must be white. When you get it right, get bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf, fresh bitter leaf. So when you get it, all you have to do is just count 7 out from the bitter leaf stick, count 7, and then when you count it, now wash it very, very well. After washing it, use your hand and begin to jam it together as if you are washing the bitter leaf. As you are washing it, you will see that the water of that bitter leaf, the juice that comes from that bitter leaf, will come out. When it come out, now filter it and then take the juice and mix inside your cream. Use your middle finger to turn it. As you are turning it, be saying anything causing hatred, Ocho, Oraku, leave me. Disappointment, all the things, all the bad things that you are facing, leave me. After mixing it, as you are talking, be mixing it with your hand. This is your middle finger because that is your commanding hand. After mixing it, now only you should be applying that cream. Anybody follows you to rub that cream automatically spoiled. You understand? The purpose in which you are using it for will not work for you. You are the one to use that cream until that cream finish. You don't need to share that cream to anybody again. You use the cream alone. As you are using this, you will see that all of this hatred will just be pulling down. They will leave you by fire by force. If you bath in the morning, rub it in the morning before going to work. If you are the type that bath in the night and rub cream, after bathing at night, rub that cream. Let me tell you, even if it is spirit that send that hatred to you, they will leave you. Continue using this cream. Now, do not be afraid whether the bitter leaf is going to darken your skin. No, it is not going to darken. Rather, it is going to remove any rashes out from your skin, and it's going to glow your skin and make your skin look very soft and supple, just like the baby. Do not worry whether the bitter leaf will darken you. It will never, and it will never darken you. But it's going to remove all of these spiritual problems caused by hatred, caused by enviness from your enemies. Anything causing rising and falling, delay, appointments in relationship, bad luck, bad dreams. Do this, and by God's grace, you will see a very massive result that will shock you by the special grace of God. So, guys, that's it. Just the end of this video for today. Please like this video for me. For those of you who are asking, I know, do you sell spiritual products? Yes, I sell spiritual products. I also do personal prayer. I also do work and spiritual consultation. So guys, that is just the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching, and also see you on my next video. Please like this video. Stay tuned. Bye for now.